Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Bybit to OKX. First, open your OKX app. Click on Assets on the bottom right of your screen. Click on Deposit. These three options pop up. Click on Deposit Crypto. Search for USDT and click on it. You also need to select Network, then select TRC20. Copy your address. Now open the Bybit app. Go to Assets. Then click Withdraw. Then select USDT. Bybit supports on-chain withdrawals to external exchanges and wallets. These two options pop up. Click On-chain. Now paste the address that you copied from Binance in the address bar. Then select the network. Remember, we choose TRC20. Here, you could put the amount you'd like. The minimum is 2.6 USDT, and the withdrawal fees is 1 USDT. Then check Funding. Now, click on Withdraw. Then confirm. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe to Aladdin Tricks